2023 F-150 XLT, approximately 11,000 miles on it. 3.5 EcoBoost engine, 10-speed automatic transmission. It gets about 22 miles a gallon on the highway. We were getting about 18 before we hit the highway, but it still wasn't like in town stop and go. It is a rental, just came back from Jersey with it. The navigation / stereo system is the worst part of it. If you plug something in, it tries to control, navigation doesn't want to work, that type thing. Just stupid stuff. Plenty of feet room. There's my 05 F-150 XLT with over 300,000 miles on it. The 2023 drives smooth. Mine drives like a brick. It's fast as hell. 2,000 RPMs, rated about 90. You can barely tell it's even moving. My truck at 90, you know it's moving. My truck, you hear the raw power with. This thing, you don't. This truck's probably by far faster than my truck by any means. Don't get me wrong, my truck does 90 without an issue. But this thing is like standing still, at 90 mile an hour. The 22 plus miles per gallon was impressive. I get 12 on the highway. And when I was getting the 22, I was just like, no way. I'm not a big fan of the 3.5 EcoBoost. That's a definite there. I would much rather see a V8 engine in it. The seats sit much higher up in this one, but again, it's brand new, so there's a world of difference there. I like to see this truck with 100,000 miles on it and see how it acts. To see how things break in with it. That would be my question. Do I think it'll last to 350 or 320 plus thousand like my truck? No. But I'll be, interested to see what it does do. We had the Jeep that went back over doing inspection, bad back tires, needed front alignment. This thing between the Jeep is a night and day. The Jeep had 30,000 miles on it. This has over 11. So a huge difference between this and the Jeep. This is definitely a much smoother ride than the Jeep was. This is a much smoother ride than my wife's 2023 Kia. But again, at 100,000, I want to see how it is. Certain things I just don't think it's going to last. I don't know if it's going to last 100,000. The stop on it, you got to turn it off every time you get in it. The bullshit, driver assist is annoying. There should be a master button where you just turn all that crap off on it. If you need something to teach you how to drive, you shouldn't be driving. But otherwise, it does not help you. The driver assist annoyed the hell out of me. The only other issue I see with this thing is the turning ratio. If you're trying to turn this thing into a tight spot, it doesn't go very easily. It's no wider than my truck. My truck definitely has beefier tires on it. But this truck will not pull in the spots that truck pulls into, and they're the same exact trucks besides the year. They're both got the short bed, they're both 4 doors. Mine has the 5.4, this has the 3.5. But you cannot get in a tight hole in this truck without preparing yourself for it. Later, folks.